Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Hbar itself. Shout out to the Hbar, community for showing so much love day in, day out. Cannot thank you guys enough. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with Hbar right now going into Sunday morning. A lot of excitement, a lot of anticipation for, obviously Monday, but obviously we're going into Sunday morning. And yet again, you're looking at this Trump coin just exploding, taking the crypto market by storm. If you watch my Trump, coin update, I'm sure you guys are, familiar as to what's really happening. This has been the biggest, and let me repeat, the biggest launch in the cryptocurrency market history, and it just keeps climbing up. Let me know in the comments down below if you caught that. But if you're looking across the board still, some of these other coins are down a little bit over the course of the last, I would say, 24 hours right now. Solana SPL coins are really thriving right now, as we discussed yesterday. As far as Hbar's price is concerned, though, Hbar is down only about 0.1% in USD. We're down about 1.7% in Bitcoin comparative. Price is currently sitting at 35.4 cents. Market valuation at about $13.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at 900 million. And again, doing day-to-day analysis, and the beauty of that is, we kind of see everything. And the 24-hour trading volume right now is sitting below $1 billion. And I know some people don't like accepting facts, but the reality is there is a lot of liquidity going from these other coins into none other than the Trump coin. And that's just a reality that people need to accept. If you look at Solana coins, as far as they're concerned, the on-chain metrics talk, the community, as far as, people talking themselves, this actually is a reality. A lot of people FOMOing since the last 24 hours into this Trump coin, which of course has taken this thing to, astronomical, levels that no one could have ever imagined. But of course, this is an official coin now, and this is much bigger for the crypto market than, people expect. Yes, we're seeing a little bit of a retracement right now, but you need to understand what this means for the crypto market moving forward into the year of 2025. I think this just changes the entire game, and I think it's going to really benefit US-based coins such as Hbar, XLM, XRP, Solana, Cardano. I think the list goes on and on. But let's take a look at the price right now. Of course, see what's happening with the price. Before we do that, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I want you guys to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance index here. Bitcoin dominance index literally went up pretty much. We're retesting January 5th highs, and obviously dominance is wanting to break out. We're currently where we are. So remember, that 58.6%. You don't want to see the dominance picking up there, but it looks like that could be the reality, which of course explains why you're seeing so much red still across the board, but nothing crazy in terms of the red. It's not that the market is down 30-40% or 10%. It's down about 5 to 6%, which again is normal considering what we have seen over the last few days. Again, people are very fast to forget this, but if you're looking at it from this point of view, you can really see how much the crypto market has pumped up. But looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is pumping up going into Sunday morning. You can see this for yourself on the daily time frame. Let me actually shift our focus towards the daily time frame so you can take a closer look. Actually, let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame. So here we are, Bitcoin pushing back up to the yearly high that we set for ourselves just on the 17th, 2 days back. And if this resistance is able to break out, new all-time highs could be in play going into Monday, the day Donald Trump, obviously comes into the office for the first time. So, Bitcoin is showing so much strength right now. And as Bitcoin obviously starts heading towards all-time highs, it obviously kind of explains why you're seeing the dominance picking up. That's also, something that we need to consider. But if you're looking at Hbar, looking amazing. Yes, I repeat, it's looking amazing right now. Yes, it's not sitting in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. We need to realize, again, and this is again going back to what I said, the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis, the dominance is quite high right now. Despite dominance pushing up to some major key resistance, you are still looking at Hbar holding really nicely right below the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Let me show you guys on the hourly time frame as to what we're really looking at. So if you're looking at the Hbar's price right now, we're sitting of course below the key resistance. We did see a little bit of an uptick, up to that 37 cents a few hours ago. You could see this for yourself, but of course was a rejection because, dominance did go higher, but no problem. Nice, healthy correction. Like I said, the Trump coin also is something that we need to keep in mind. It has, sucked a lot of liquidity out of some of these altcoins, which again is a really tough pill to swallow for a lot of people. But the people that realize it from a realistic standpoint understand that. But with that said, a nice healthy correction. Like I said, pay very close attention to the dominance index and Bitcoin. If Bitcoin even pushes up to the likes of all-time highs, even if dominance goes up a little bit in USD comparative specifically, we could actually see, HBAR's price recovering back into the 38.2. But right now, a lot of people have obviously Monday on their calendars to, really see what happens Monday. And of course, everyone is paying attention to this Trump coin. It's literally sitting at $43 right now with the valuation approaching $10 billion. And maybe tomorrow morning, this thing's already above, $10 billion, and it's sitting above Shiba Inu's valuation, which would be insane to think about. But again, shouldn't really be a major shocker at that point. But very nice consolidation for HBAR right now. Really liking what I'm seeing. I think, people are not understanding what's coming for US-based projects, this year. But again, one step at a time. Let me know down below what your personal thoughts are. Of course, we'll keep you guys covered. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.